Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day today. So today what I want to show you guys is how to insert a M00 inside the operation itself. Let's take for instance this drilling operation right here, and maybe after it's a real small drill, and after every time it runs we want to just verify that that drill didn't break or verify a hole or anything to stop the machine after this operation is done. So all you have to do is just double click on the operation, get it open up, come down to your miscellaneous parameters right here, and you will see where it says B stop M00. Just switch this value over to a yes, and then what it will do is it will automatically insert a M00 into the program for you guys. So if we just G-code it out real quick, you'll see that it automatically added our M00 in here right after that operation. So I just want to share that with you guys. If you guys need to add a M00 after a specific operation, this is how you can add it in there. Thanks guys. We'll talk to you guys next week and hope you have a great weekend. Bye-bye.